What's up, everybody? Welcome back. My name is Brandon Henschel. I'm your dance professor, and if you are new to this channel, I provide you with professional grade dance instruction. We've got another emote coming for you in our Fortnite emote tutorial series. Today, you are going to learn It's Complicated, and whoo, let me tell you, this one was complicated. Like, for real, for real. This threw me for a loop and took me quite a long time to learn and put together, but I got it, I got the steps, so I'm gonna give them to you so that you can do it as well. But don't get frustrated if it takes a long time, go slow, take your time, and just have fun with it, because that's what it's all about. We're just here to have fun. With that being said, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you know every time I go live or a new video is posted. And join me on my live streams. I live stream on Monday, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays at 3:30 p.m. Pacific time on my Twitch channel. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. You guys ready to do this? Let's rock it. All right, you guys, so this is how it goes. This is how you do the Fortnite emote, It's Complicated. I'm gonna face the wall here, kind of like if we're at a real dance studio and you would be behind me, learning the steps, that way you don't have to worry about reversing things, and then I can teach it to you properly. So facing this way, the first thing you're gonna do is a little kick twist. I'm gonna show you the legs first, and then I'll show you the hands, okay? So your legs are gonna just kick out like this, and then you're gonna tap, and then you're gonna go out, and then you're gonna tap, and then you go out, tap, out, tap. Now, what you're gonna do is add a twist to your standing leg, okay? So you're standing on your left leg, you do a little kick, and when you go to tap it, you're gonna twist. And then you go kick, twist, kick, twist, kick, twist. Yeah? Now, your hands are gonna go like this. You're gonna start here, you're gonna go this arm, then you're gonna bring up this arm, then you're gonna grab your head, then you're gonna look, then you're gonna go twist, twist, cross, hit. Doing that again, you have here, 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 hit, hit, and cross, boom. And when you cross your hands, they're gonna be crossing like this. You got kind of a blade situation before you go boom. And make sure that right hand is higher than your left hand. What you doing, Bo? Get over there. Just lay down. Coming into my shop, doggies. All right, so put that together now. You've got your hands and your feet. Goes like this, 6, 7, 8. You have and hit, and hit, and hit, and hit. Now, if that's a little funky for you because you're on that left leg the whole time, just again, keep doing it 1,000 times. I'll do it one more time, and if you need to, pause the video, go back, and just keep doing it until you feel comfortable and you're ready to move on. Ready? 6, 7, go. And hit, and hit, and hit, and hit. So, moving on to the next step, this is what we're gonna do, okay? So you just went here like this, all right? You're going to lift up your right leg 5, and you're gonna kind of bring this arm across. So your left arm is gonna come across this way, okay? So we're here like this, boom. You're gonna lift up your right leg, go 5. Then what's gonna happen is you're gonna kind of jump onto both legs and bring your right shoulder forward. Then with this right shoulder forward like this, when you land on both of those feet, you're gonna open your arms like this, you're gonna pick up your left leg, and then you're gonna step down to hit this sort of, it's almost like a ballet position. But you're gonna have your right hand higher, your left hand lower like this. And then from here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna unwind your arms this way and go like this, and you're gonna make it a little bit of a hop, okay? So from here, we're gonna go hop down, and then you're gonna bring your right arm higher than your left hand and your right leg up like this. So from here, like this, you're gonna go 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1. That's really hard because it's a huge weight change, okay? So again, I'll do it one more time and just pause the video, go back and just do it 100 times if you need to. It is definitely complicated. Don't get frustrated, go slow, you got this, okay? So, actually, let's just go from the top, shall we? 6, 7, 8, and hit, and hit, and hit, and hit. You've got 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1. Here like this, you're gonna now kick your leg forward, you're gonna grab, and you're gonna pull. And you're gonna grab, and you're gonna pull. You have 2 of those. Then from here, you're gonna land 4, use your right knee to open yourselves here, step on your left foot, step on your right foot, come together. Then you start everything from the beginning and you're done. So that's basically it. So one more time, from 1, this is gonna go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now try to put that all together from the top. Looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. And hit, and hit, and hit, and hit. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! Great job, guys. That is not an easy emote. And even teaching it slowly, I'm getting all sweaty, getting all hot in here, you know what I'm saying? But just keep sticking with it, keep doing the best you can. You will get this, you got this. Let's go ahead, let's put this on with music. Let's do it from the top. We'll do it with the avatar, with me facing you, and I'll do it a couple times so you can get a couple runs in, and then just rewind it, go back, keep practicing, and do it again. Here we go. That's it, guys. You did it. If you made it through this video and you got to the very end and you got the steps, congratulations. Definitely one of the most complicated emotes Epic has come out with. I love doing these just because as a dancer, like, these complicated emotes are a challenge and they're fun, so I'm really excited about it. I like them and I hope you guys like them too. Let me know if there's any other emotes you guys want me to do, and let me know what your favorite emote is that you've done so far. Thanks again for joining me, guys. Appreciate it. We'll see you next time.